Hi my little shardies, welcome and welcome back. I know you're looking at this and going, what did you do? So I just wanted to show you how I'm going to change this scribble, hopefully, into a beautiful galaxy picture. So I randomly took a bunch of blues and purples and black and literally scribbled on this page, which I would never do before, by the way. Like, this is the first time I have tried this. So I did 935, PC 901, PC 1007, PC 934, PC 1100, PC 1009, and PC 933. And I just scribbled. So, and I know it looks terrible. It looks like a 2-year-old did it, and I did it all over my paper here. But I'm going to focus on this one little spot up here, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. And then hopefully I'll come back in at the end and show you the finished picture. But my attempt here is to try to make a galaxy. And again, I was not even remotely neat about it, but I'm not sure I have to be. So we're going to try this together. So I'm using my blender pencil PC 1007. And I'm just going to come over here and start in circular motions, blending into the black. And guys, I am aware that this looks like a 2-year-old did it. And for right now, I'm totally okay with it. So I'm just blending away. I don't know if you see the difference. If you have to, go a couple different directions with it. I'm so thankful right now for this blender pen, because if I had to layer and layer and layer this, it would take me forever. So I literally just scribbled. We're going to find out together what it's going to turn out like. And if you want, you can also blend with white or a lighter color if you want to just kind of throw a little extra in there. Give it a little more character if you don't want like hard lines. And this is how I'm going to do the entire image of this galaxy. So we go from this mess here to this over here. And I've already done a little bit down here. And that is what it looks like when I blended it out. I didn't have as much black in here. Again, I just randomly put some colors down on paper. But I wanted to show you that it's possible with a blender pencil that if you scribble, to come up with something that's pretty cool. So when I get done blending all of this together, I will show you the end shot of it. I've never made a galaxy before like this. and I thought this was kind of like the perfect picture to do it. Again, there was no rhyme or reason about how I put the colors. I literally just randomly picked some. I'm sure if I continue to do this method in the future that I'll be a little more careful about where I put the colors, but I honestly didn't care. Just wanted to get something down there. So, but I know it's going to look good because I see what happens there. So stay tuned for the finished picture. Alright everyone, I am back. When I got done smoothing out this entire background using the blender pencil, I went ahead and added a few of these colors plus the white into these little dots for the stars to kind of give it a little more depth. I think if I chose to do this image again, or this background again, I think I would put some of the darker colors on like the outside of the page and then some of the brighter colors in like a strip across the page, but this was my first time doing it. I just wanted to make sure the technique worked, and I'm really, really happy with it. So I hope you guys are learning a little bit too. I already gave you guys a video on how to do the trees. I think I'm going to do another one on how to finish off this asteroid here. I started with this part down here, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how I did it on that remaining area up at the top there. It would take me way too long to color this entire image start to finish on video, so I'm just trying to break it down in small parts in case there's something you're interested within those parts. If you like what you see, please don't hesitate to hit like and subscribe. Share this to your friends and family, those that you know enjoy coloring. Make sure you turn your notifications on so you see each time I post a new video. Alright everyone, I'm going to wrap this up. Stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, shh, it's our little secret.